Sentence patterns. If it rains, I will not go out. Mushi ame ga futara dikakimasen. Even if it rains, I will go out. Ame ga futte mo dikakimasu. Example sentences. Thank you for having been kind to me. Congratulations, you are going to be transferred. Omedetou gozaimasu. Tenki ni narimasu. Thank you. Arigato. When you leave for Tokyo, we will miss you. Don't forget about Osaka after you go to Tokyo. Tokyo ni ikutoki, watashi tachi wa anata ga koishiku narimasu. Tokyo ni ita ato de Osaka no koto wo wasarenai de kudasai. Of course, Miss Kimura, if you have time, please come to Tokyo. Mochiron desu. Kimura-san, jikan ga areba, Tokyo ni kete kudasai. Mr. Miller, when you come to Osaka, give me a call. Let's have a drink. Mira-san, Osaka ni kita toki wa watashi ni rinraku shite kudasai. Isho ni inomimashou. I'd love to. Yorokonde. Thank you very much, all of you, for having been kind to me. Minasan, shinsetsu ni shite kudasatte, hontou ni arigatou gozaimasu. Please take care of yourself and do your best. Douka go jiai kudasai, soshite ganbatte kudasai. Yes, I will do my best. Best of luck, all of you. Hai, watashi wa zaizen wo chokoshimasu. Minasan, kuon wo inorimasu. Stages of life. Hito no ishu, birth, omarimasu, be born, marks the beginning of life. Baby, akachan, early infancy stage. Childhood, kodomo. Entering school, gakko ni hairimasu. Education phases. Nursery school, hoikuen, kindergarten, Yochien, elementary school. 6 years, Shugaku, junior high school, 3 years. Chugaku, senior high school, 3 years. Kutogaku, further education includes university, 4 years. Daigaku, junior college, 2 years. Tandai, College of Technology, 2 years. Kosen, postgraduate courses, 2 to 6 years. Daigakuen, youth, seinen, graduating, sutsugyo shimasu, starting a job, shushuku shimasu, adulthood, seijin, marriage, kekkon shimasu, having a child, kodomo ga umarimasu, middle age, chounen. Possible events include divorce, herikon shimasu, remarriage, seikon shimasu, old age, roujin, retirement, taishukaku wa yamimasu, death, shinimasu, the end of life. Additional information, life expectancy of the Japanese Nihonjin no Heiken Jomyo, man 77.01, woman 83.59, as reported in 1996 by the Ministry of Health and Welfare. Koseishu. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. See you next time. Mata ne!